Hey guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video guys is we're going to unbox and do our review of the Awei H18 Smartwatch. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel. And yes guys, we have here another product from Awei, and this is their H18 smartwatch. We have here the quick specifications. So we have here the screen size, it's 1.43-inch AMOLED display, and the working time is 7 to 9 days, and waterproof rating it's IP68. You can actually use this one for Android and iOS and even Harmony OS. So without further ado, let's open the box. So we have here our watch, and more than that, so we also have here the strap. Okay, with the strap, it's in blue, and we also have here the Awei manual and also the magnetic charging cable. All right, and we also have here now the watch, so it looks really and feels premium guys. So we have here the function button. So I've actually turned it on already, and on the sides guys, on the left there's no button, and on the right, so we have here the crown and the shortcut for sports, and at the back so we have here the sensors. Okay, so we have here the different watch faces guys, so we've got plenty of watch faces, so you shouldn't have any problem with that. And swipe down, so have here the different shortcuts, and swipe up the notifications, and also we have here the different features, like here you have here your pulse rate. Okay, you can actually this will actually detect, so you just have to feel this one here, and we have here the different sports modes that we can use: walking, running, cycling, badminton. So we have plenty guys, and we also have here the different feature. So have your activity, sleep, heart rate, exercise, blood pressure. So for blood pressure guys, it's if you have any health problem, you should really use the proper medical kit for that. We have SpO2 stress, weather, shutter, player, relaxation, AI voice, timer, alarms, stopwatch, cycle training, flashlight, so calculator, games. So we have many games there, and for the settings, so have your phone call, screen clock, system, and about. So that's it guys, it looks really nice. So guys, it's really premium with the AMOLED screen, and what I like also guys is the strap, because it is magnetic, so you just have to wear them like this. Okay, and it's just like that, it's magnet. So guys, if you have any questions, just comment down below. And if you like this video guys, can you click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you in our next video.